Hi everyone, I am Sandesh, a recent graduate from BUB College of Engineering, Hubli. I got placed in American Megatrends International Company. I had undergone a course at Emertxe. Basically, for entering into a core domain, they provide numerous opportunities and they give us a hands-on experience on the projects and assignments. They have the modules perfectly divided and made easy for us students to get understand all the things which we need to learn for getting into a core industry. There are many projects they give guidance. The mentors are very helpful. If there are any doubts, without saying anything, they will help us and go through the problem and solve it. So if you are also looking for job in a core domain and want to start your career in a core domain, so Emertxe is the best place you can join it. Thank you.